How to accept friend request in Wire. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire and trying to accept a friend request, then first thing to do is to open the Wire app on your device and make sure that you're logged in if you haven't already. Now you are inside the conversation tab as soon as you log in. Go to the top of the screen and look for an option that says one person waiting, or look for the pending contact request and tap on it. Now you'll receive a connection request. To accept the friend request, tap on connect. As soon as you do that, the person will be added in your friend list or your conversation list. Now you can start chatting or calling them, and that's all there is to it. You successfully accepted a friend request in Wire. You can now exchange secure messages, make calls, and enjoy staying connected. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.